How to increase or decrease the screen or display brightness on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to your clock face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button again to go into the app screen or the home screen, and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down, then tap on display and brightness. Next, at the top, tap on appearance, and from here you can tap on the right button to increase the display brightness, or you can tap on the left button to decrease the brightness. You can also use the crown button to increase or decrease the brightness. And that's it. Finally, you can press on the crown button again to return back to the clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.